If you have downloaded the free template, this is how you use it. The size it comes with, the size is quite big. If you look at file size, it's 6000 by 4000 pixel. It's almost equal to 20 by 13. The reason is some people like to print it out. So we create a high resolution file so you could able to either print it out or use it on the web. So personally, I would use it on the web. So what I want to do is reduce the size to 2048 by 1365. This is kind of like the web size out to me. So click OK, and we have a smaller file now. And then as you can see, if you look at the red layer here, this is where you insert your photo. So open up one of your photo that you like. For example, this one's mine. And using a move cursor, click on it and just drag it over. And you put it right here, which work, but then I would like to make it a Kipling map, so it will work with, if you close whatever down there, it will not go beyond the borders. So, and once you're done with this, all you have to do is validate the image and then do a save. I'll do a save as. I will do a file, save it to, most of the times JPEG is the best, and I will save it. Jeremy family. Oh, I got one already. I called it 2. And just save. And your file should be ready. Hope you enjoy it.